Welcome to Best Choice. The best 3-prong cord is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked components for ensuring the safe and effective operation of your electric blanket, especially as older models may start to show wear and tear on their original wiring, making a replacement cord not just a convenience but a critical safety upgrade to prevent potential hazards and restore full functionality to your cozy companion. Number 5. Tefici Electric Heated Blanket Throw. Your safety is our top priority. This heated blanket features advanced overheat protection and an automatic 4-hour shut-off, ensuring a secure and energy-efficient experience. Experience ultimate coziness with its double-layered flannel design. Enjoy 3 adjustable heat settings for personalized warmth, all while staying comfortably snug. Perfectly sized for any setting, from your sofa to your office or even on the go. It doubles as a regular blanket when the heating element is detached. Show your loved ones you care with a gift that provides comfort and relaxation. It's ideal for soothing tired muscles and joints, making it a thoughtful present. Maintaining this cozy essential is simple. It's both hand and machine washable, ensuring easy care for long-lasting comfort. Just remember to unplug the controller before washing. We stand by our product. Should you have any questions or concerns, our dedicated support team will provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. What we like? Experience ultimate comfort with its double-layer flannel for superior softness. If you're looking for a blanket that's both luxurious and easy to clean, this is the one for you. Its machine washable design makes maintenance a breeze, perfect for everyday use. What people say? The cord is a perfect fit for my old electric blanket, and it heats up evenly. It was easy to connect and the blanket works like new again. The 3-prong design is a good safety feature. Number 4. Sunbeam Royal Mink Sherpa Heated Blanket. Introducing the Sunbeam Royal Mink Sherpa Heated Blanket. Enjoy effortless warmth with its easy-to-use push-button controller and LED indicator lights. Customize your comfort with 4 adjustable heat settings, from warm to high. Find the perfect temperature for any occasion. Relax with peace of mind thanks to the 4-hour auto shut-off and overheat protection. Your safety is our priority. Indulge in the luxurious feel of soft royal mink fabric combined with cozy Sherpa. It's ultra-comfy warmth made from high-quality polyester. This stylish heated blanket in night fog color complements any decor. It's perfect for your bedroom, living room, or home office. Measuring 50x60, it's the perfect size for snuggling up on the couch or adding an extra layer of warmth to your bed. What we like? Indulge in luxurious warmth with its royal mink Sherpa material. If you desire rapid and customizable heating, this blanket offers 4 distinct settings to suit your needs. It's ideal for those who want to get cozy quickly and enjoy a plush feel. What people say? The blanket is soft and warm, heats up quickly, and the heat settings seem to work well. It has 4 levels of heat. I have only had it up to level 2 and I have been comfy on the couch with it watching TV, which is what I wanted it for. I like the color and the Sherpa lining is soft and comfy. The blanket is warm even with the heat off. My loved one likes warmth, but I don't like a house that is too hot. This blanket is perfect, keeps them warm, very warm, and comfy while I can breathe in a less heated space. It worked perfectly and was warm and cozy. Performed perfectly. Size was great, it looked nice and wasn't that gross cheap fleece material. Number 3. 3-foot heavy-duty 3-prong replacement power cord. Ensure your appliances get the power they need with this heavy-duty replacement cord. It's designed for safety and reliability, making it a perfect fit for various devices. Featuring a thicker wire diameter, this cord handles more amperage and wattage without overheating. Enjoy a safer and more dependable power connection for your coffee pot or computer. The sleek black finish blends seamlessly into your home or office environment. Its flexible yet sturdy design makes it easy to manage and place where you need it. This 3-foot cord is ideal for a wide range of household appliances. It's perfect as a replacement for old or missing cords, or as a convenient backup. Use it for your coffee maker, computer, monitor, TV, and many other electronic devices. It's the versatile solution for your power needs. With a 15 amp rating and 1875 watt capacity, this 3-prong grounded cord offers robust performance. It's built to last and provide a secure connection. What we like? ensure a safe and reliable connection with its heavy-duty 16AWG construction. If you need a durable replacement cord for appliances like coffee percolators or general electronics, this is a solid choice. Its robust design offers enhanced safety and longevity. What people say. This cord is a perfect fit for my old electric blanket. It has a 3-prong connector, which is exactly what I needed for safety. The length of the cord is adequate and it heats up evenly. Number 2. PWR AC Cable Replacement Power Cord. This is a high-quality 2-prong AC power cord. It's designed to be extra long, providing 6 feet of reach for your devices. It's compatible with a wide range of electronics. This includes TVs, monitors, printers, game consoles, and many laptop chargers. You can trust its safety. It is UL Rose certified and has undergone rigorous testing for your peace of mind. Built with an SPT22C18AWG cable, it's designed for durability and can handle 90 degrees Celsius temperatures and 300 V. The connectors feature a C7 figure 8 to NEMA 1-15P, ensuring a secure and easy connection to your devices. As a USA-based company, we offer friendly customer support. Enjoy a 30-day refund and a 12-month exchange warranty. What we like. Enjoy extended reach and certified safety with this 6-foot, 2-prong power cord. If you have devices with a figure 8 connector that require a longer cord, this UL-listed option provides peace of mind. It's perfect for TVs, printers, and game consoles needing that extra length. What people say. Perfect replacement. The power cord fit perfectly and works just like the original. Great quality and reliable performance. Fit well into my USB charge block and worked perfectly. Bought this for my incubator as my rabbit chewed my original cord. Does the trick, it fits and it works and it's cheap also, fast shipping. Number 1. Standard 5 feet 10A 125V 3-prong AC power cord. This is a versatile 5-foot power cable designed to deliver safe and reliable power to your electronics. It's perfect for monitors, computers, and many other gadgets. Featuring a fully molded design, this cord offers maximum durability and a long lifespan. Its heavy-duty 18 AWG gauge ensures it can withstand regular use. Easily replace lost or worn-out power cords with this universal solution. It works with your PC, monitor, TV, printer, or any other device requiring a 3-pin power connection. The fully molded construction provides both sturdiness and flexibility. This ensures it can handle the demands of everyday use while remaining easy to manage. With a convenient 5-foot length, you can easily reach your power outlets without straining. It provides the perfect reach for setting up your entertainment or workspace. This cord is rated for 10 amps and 125 volts, ensuring safe and dependable power delivery. It's a great choice for a wide range of electronic devices. What we like. Get reliable power delivery with this sturdy and flexible 5-foot, 3-prong cord. If you're replacing a lost or worn-out power cord for your computer, monitor, or TV, this universal design is a great fit. Its fully molded construction ensures durability for everyday use. What people say. Works as it should. Quality cord built to last. Perfect clean new power cables. The definition of standard in all ways. Sturdy, the right length, thickness, weight. No weird materials. Just what I expected. Worked perfectly. Long cord. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.